Marlin Steel's wire mesh cable trays are designed for high-performance cable management in data centers, industrial manufacturing, power distribution systems, and commercial infrastructure projects. Engineered for durability and airflow, our systems provide a robust, flexible, and easy-to-install solution for routing critical power and data infrastructure. Every tray is made in the USA using 100% domestically sourced steel, ensuring superior tensile strength and a faster procurement cycle than imported alternatives. Marlin Steel cable trays support infrastructure that requires reliable load performance, structural integrity, airflow, and scalability. To meet the rigorous demands of different operating environments, we offer cable trays in a variety of high-quality materials and finishes. 304 stainless steel, the industry standard for durability and corrosion resistance in most data center and industrial applications. 316 stainless steel, recommended for high salinity or chemically corrosive environments, such as food processing or coastal facilities. Powder coating / zinc plating, which is cost-effective solutions for controlled indoor environments. Customers can choose from our standard catalog of stainless steel wire mesh cable tray designs or customize one of these systems based on the following features: wire gauges, available in heavy-duty wire diameters to support high-density cable loads without sagging or straining structural supports. Grid patterns. Optimized grid patterns allow for easy cable dropouts while maintaining maximum structural integrity. Safety features. Smooth trim technology on all wire ends to prevent cable jacket abrasion and support installer safety. Modern data center cable tray systems must support increasing fiber counts, higher power loads, and continuous layout changes. Marlin Steel's wire mesh cable trays are designed to accommodate high-density fiber routing, power distribution cabling, overhead and underfloor installations, and phase expansion without system disruption. The open grid construction supports improved airflow around cabling, helping maintain thermal performance in high-density rack environments. Here are the key benefits of our precision-engineered wire mesh trays for hyperscale data centers and other mission-critical applications. Cable trays must carry significant linear loads while minimizing structural strain on ceilings and supports. Marlin's welded steel wire trays are engineered for dimensional stability and repeatable load performance without unnecessary bulk. Our disciplined manufacturing processes ensure consistent geometry, clean transitions, and secure mounting integration across production runs. Where applicable to project specifications, Marlin cable tray systems are engineered to align with industry performance standards such as NEMA VE1 load and deflection requirements. Infrastructure must evolve without requiring a complete system replacement. Marlin's modular wire mesh cable tray systems allow extensions, rerouting, and new cable drops without dismantling entire runs. This adaptability supports hyperscale data center expansion, industrial retrofits, and long-term infrastructure growth while protecting uptime and controlling labor costs. Dimensional consistency is critical in cable management systems. Misalignment can create installation delays, structural stress, or inefficient routing paths. Marlin maintains repeatable tolerances and burr minimal edges across every production run so that tray systems integrate seamlessly with mounting hardware, support structures, and fabricated brackets. Marlin steel wire mesh trays are a critical component in modern data center infrastructure, specifically designed to address thermal and logistical challenges. The open mesh design provides 360-degree airflow, preventing heat traps around high-voltage power cables. This reduces the cooling load on HVAC systems, directly contributing to better PUE. Engineered to support the massive weight of bundled fiber and copper cabling required for hyperscale and AI-driven data centers. Specifically designed to meet aggressive timelines, our tray manufacturing capabilities support the speed and volume required for modern colocation and enterprise facility expansions. Choosing Marlin steel wire mesh trays simplifies the hardware layer of your infrastructure through 5 key competitive advantages. Our trays are engineered for capability with standard and custom mounting hardware, providing a flush fit that minimizes on-site adjustments. By sourcing the trays and the specialized mounting brackets from a single manufacturer, you eliminate compatibility risks. Using 100% U.S. sourced materials contributes to consistent weld strength and material purity across every linear foot. Our Baltimore-based robotic manufacturing facility allows us to fulfill orders on aggressive timelines that international suppliers cannot match. Our lightweight yet durable mesh designs allow for rapid assembly and installation, reducing labor hours and project complexity. Marlin Steel maintains a culture of precision. Our stainless steel wire mesh cable trays are manufactured under a strict ISO 9001 to 2015 certified quality management system to ensure reliability in mission-critical environments. Our design and manufacturing processes are independently audited to meet international standards for quality and consistency. We also invest significantly in factory automation, such as MFDC welding machines and wire bending robots, to meet increasingly tight tolerances with repeatability. Our advanced robotic welding capabilities produce 100% weld integrity and dimensional accuracy across large-scale orders. Marlin Steel manufactures wire mesh cable tray systems using U.S.-sourced steel and advanced welding systems for tight quality control and supply chain reliability. Our integrated production approach supports high-volume manufacturing while maintaining strict process discipline. The result is quality-engineered quick cable management infrastructure engineered for performance, delivered on schedule, and built to scale. Explore our standard catalog to view our customizable, off-the-shelf designs. Request a consultation with a Marlin engineer to discuss data center cable tray systems for hyperscale facilities. To start your custom cable tray fabrication project, request a quote today.